It's a great time having you, comrade. I'm bringing you teachings on how to grow your business from a small scale to a large scale. We have had this is the last series, the last part of the series we are having, and I want to be having. Do we grow your business from a large scale, from a small scale? How do you grow a business from a small scale to a large scale? We have started this is the lesson for the last lecture, and we are done. I want to remind you, I'm Bismarck because I have a lot of motivation messages on YouTube. Go to my YouTube channel. Nothing can stop motivation messages. Watch them, subscribe to them. They are 15 minutes. Like build example, you have 60 videos over there, building yourself as a millionaire. Also, have another channel where you have your marriage, you'll be a state of mind to what the teachings on dating, courtship, and marriage. There's another playlist. Watch them, subscribe to them. Also have another channel, another playlist. It's a playlist on my YouTube. Bismarck saying River from the Temple Sermon. There are sermons there like My Secret is Jesus, Economy of God. So watch them, subscribe to them. We also have academic videos, have videos on economics and national income and classicity. They are there. Watch them, subscribe to them, sign a comment. We also have videos on entrepreneurship, teachings on entrepreneurship, how to create a new trend of business, how to grow your business from a scale to large scale. They're 15 minutes. Watch them and subscribe to them. I've written a lot of books on Amazon and Gumroad, building your competitiveness in a crowded planet, $4 to be impossible to have this world without you, $4. There is something inside the world is in the $4. Growing with a also my marriage, your marriage based on money to worth $5. They're also the leaders of generation thinkers. They are there. Go and get them. Amazon and Gumroad. I'm not getting the sales. I'm counting on you to get the sales. I'm advertising. I'm not getting the sales. Also, I have these new books uploaded in the month of June 2024. Building yourself as self millionaire, $4. Enhance your risk taking ability, $4. Enhance your decision making ability, $4. Smart the level of competition put together, $4. Growing with the cloud of a luminary symphony. Growing with the cloud of a luminary synchronicities, they are $4. Go to Amazon Kindle and Gumroad. These books are there. I'm not getting the single sales from these books. If you want to help me so that I'll pay you for your services. If you are outside Ghana, take this country code plus Ghana country code +23 and add my number 275105641. If you are in Ghana, you want to call me 027510561. Help me market, and maybe we agree on a payment plan where I pay you. So we have done this. This is the last lesson on the lecture I've been having, growing your business from a small scale to a large scale. In the lesson one, over the period, let's look at some of the things you have spoken about in the previous lectures. One, we look at how somebody who have grown his business from a small scale to a large scale, like Robert Edward Tenner, who is the owner of CNN. We also talk about how do I grow my business from a small scale, some of the ideas, palliative ideas that will help me. One, we say you need to extrapolate managerial capability and strategies from top global CEO companies like Fortune 500 to build your ability to manage your business very well. So we said you need to enhance your productivity and efficiency every day, every hour. That was the second point. Third point, he said there's a need to enhance your decision-making ability to take winning decisions that will help you penetrate through the fierce competition. So we said that. Number four, you need to enhance opportunity-generating capabilities to create myriad of opportunities for yourself. Number five, we said there's a need for you to relentlessly extrapolate marketing ideas and strategies from top marketers and top marketing department in the global universities to equip you with marketing strategies and ideas that will help you penetrate through the fierce competition. Number six, we said there's the need to strategically position yourself to be a good strategist. Appreciate that everything that's very competitive, you need to be very good. You have to come with effective strategies to penetrate. Number seven, we said you need to introduce innovative product and ideas that will help you shape and direct the level of competition. Go and watch motivation message I have for 15 minutes. That shaping and directing, that detecting and shaping the direction of the competition. They're 15 minutes. Go to YouTube and go and watch it. Also, number eight, we say you have to aggressively work towards minimizing the cost of operations. Number nine, we said that there's a need to ensure that you equip yourself with that mentality that integrity is a vehement capital and instrumentality to help you grow your business from a small scale to multinational. That integrity is a principle that never fails. Number 10, we said that number 10, there's a need for you to rightly appreciate that your customers and your employees are the first profit of your business. Know your customers, have their contact, know the type of business they do, extrapolate ideas, visit them holidays, impact the ideas to help grow their business, connect them to opportunities so they become very loyal customers to you. When it comes to employees, we said there's a need to ensure that employees are first part of they are part of your family. Ensure that you pay them very well, so that your business will not grow, will not be short-term storage, so that they can also contribute ideas that will help towards, and it will be the first instrumentality to market your business to the global world. So we said that. So we said that. That was number 10. Number 11. Number 11. We said that you need to develop the mentality that you have to don't operate with a local champion mentality. Operate with a global mentality. That you want to take the whole world as your oyster. Number 12. We see there's the need for you to enhance your risk minimizing strategy to minimize your risks in your business, to ensure longevity, scalability, and sustainability by extrapolating a lot of risk minimizing strategy from top-notch personality in your field of discipline that are able to minimize risks in your operations. About 13, we said there's a need to equip yourself with time management skill. Time management is a skill. Time is a capital God has given to us to help to invest in ourselves. So why is it necessary? It's necessary because if you want to deliver goods, quality goods at the time customers want, you somebody who have time management skill. If you produce quality goods but you don't produce at the time you want, you might be talented, but you're not time conscious. There's no way you can grow your business. No good business grew from a small scale to a large scale where people didn't understand that time management is a skill and it's a capital God have given to us to invest in ourselves. To get that mindset. Number the 14th point, 14 points. We said that you need to have strategic partnership with resourceful people. They are resourceful in terms of something you cannot do it alone. You need somebody. You need to commingle your effort with people. They are resourceful in terms of come to understanding the workings of the economy, permeating radical knowledge, connecting you to opportunities, also transitioning with business. They are resourceful in terms of transition with business activity. They bring innovative ideas and product and a repertoire of experience. They are made of these things to help achieve that. Number 14. So we are in 15 for this series. 15. Expressively research on your key competitors. Examine your competitors in terms of the product, their quality they sell, the period, their time of delivery of service, the payment of their staff, their skill and training development they give to employees, the approach of minimizing costs. So you examine this, your competitiveness, their competitiveness in terms of their sources of their customers, after sales services rendered to their customers, source of their raw materials, what constitutes their cost operation, their production rates, mode of advertising. Examine all these things from your competitors. If they are 50 or 30, you can take the top notch, examine them, synthesize them, and extract the needed ideas and strategies that will help you run ahead of them, or that can help you shape and take the direction of the competition. I said that I have a motivation message on YouTube, shaping and taking the direction of competition. Go and watch it. So you need to examine your competitiveness in terms of their product, the quality, time of delivery, the service they render, the payment of their staff, the skills, training, development. You have the approach of minimizing cost, the source of their customers, the aftermath sales, their source of their raw materials, what constitutes the cost of production cost, mode of. Examine these things from your competitiveness, and also extract the idea, synthesize it, and impregnate it in your scheme of things to run ahead to help detect and shape the direction of competition. As done by a man called St. John. Mark Templeton, American investor and founder. That time he started British is a American is a Templeton. Mark Templeton, Templeton grew fund in 1954 through his ability to run ahead of his competitiveness. His a business experience average growth 15% annually for 38 years. Sir John Mark Templeton it wasn't a conjecture. He understood what it means to get this idea for competitiveness and put down a very vehement ideas, and the business ran for 38 years with average growth of 15% every year and never set back. And today we have the Templeton Farm Group. 16. Be effective clairvoyant. If you say somebody is a clairvoyant, somebody is able to predict very well, so they can stimulate your waves, the level of transition. You have to be able to have that clairvoyant, someone who have the productivity, so that you can transition with global transcendental activities to grow with a level of competition. Until that, as there is a transition, there's always transition in activity. Whatever field you are, anthropology, economy, Any business, they're always transition. You need to transition with the global transcendental activities with respect to your field of discipline. How can you achieve that? If you want to grow your business from a small scale to a large scale, one of the areas without any epiphanies is to how do you become effective clairvoyant. Somebody can predict, look into the future very well, and take a very robust decisions, increase his productivity to grow so that he run ahead of the competition. He transition the transcendental activity so that your business can become multinational. Without that quality, forget about it. It's very difficult for you to grow your business from a small scale, and you need that systemic smartness. How do you make yourself smarter than the whole level of competition put together in your field of business? You have to get and study the trends, expose your mind with a lot of information, vibrating ideas and experience and what goes on with that project activity to be able to can formulate, enhancing your mental endowment with the smartness, exposing yourself a lot of information, opportunities, experience, knowledge, and policies and global project will help you to know how to transition with that transcendental activities, with that effective clairvoyance, so that you don't lose out when it comes to transition with businesses in your field of business. As done by Robert Tetena. That time I told Robert Tetena, he started a advertising company. He moved to media. He bought a radio station called Atlanta UFC. That time that media radio was not doing it, but he brought a revolutionary ideas, and so that he brought an idea that they should move to what they call watch the channel grow. He invented these ideas, knew that one day people would need this channel connected at a point. They're using satellite to transmit images, and that helped them grow very fast. And at a point in time, they got over 2 million subscribers, and that's why he grew. So Robert Tetena understood what it means. But even though this radio station is doing well, they will transition with global transcendental activity. The fact that when they're exposed to that very system smartness, when they're exposed to that level of radical knowledge, experience, resilience to withstand vulnerability over the period. Number 7, developmentally. See disappointment, failures, and setbacks as personal teachers, which is moving into a totality of opportunity and personality. See disappointment, failures, setbacks are vehement, indispensable instrumentality, equipping you with strong incentive towards effectuating your dream. Never blame anybody for disappointing you. Blame yourself for expecting so much from people. They are not your constant source. The repository of endowment in you is your constant source of growth. If somebody tells you that your dream is not achievable, it doesn't mean you cannot achieve your dream. It means you have endowment that's 2 times more than that person to achieve your dream. Understand that you can lose everything in your life, but you can never lose your hope and expectation. So if you want to grow your business from a small scale, get that mentality. Disappointment, failure, setbacks are personal teachers. Because life is a teacher. Well, you have to find out what lessons life teaching at any point. It will not be rosary. It will be very difficult. There are a lot of multitudinous preponderance of encumbrances and Herculean tasks you face. Nonetheless, you have to face this thing. Move yourself from totality of possibility. Move yourself towards the totality of possibility. You might face a lot of challenges in the face of excellence, in the face of challenges. It ain't happening. Hiroshi Honda, that time he started his Princeton company. Hiroshi Honda company collapsed, was shut down by earthquake and also US bomb. But he kept on and set up the Hiroshi Honda Research Technical and later became the Honda company. Sir Richard Branson started a Virgin company. He started about 7 companies. They all collapsed. Later, he bounced back to set up Virgin Atlantic. Was Destiny working in a lot of animation industry, failed several times. Later, getting to the age of 50, he understood that he can create animation with Psychosound sound, and that took him the breakthrough and achieved. So, a lot of challenges and failures you face in that journey, but equip yourself with that strong incentives that you can lose everything, but you can never lose your determination, hope. So, thank you so much for this series. So, thank you so much. Understand that indeed it's not an easy path. Conclusion, it's not an easy path, but it is possible. Make it possible without irresistible search and resourcefulness. Remember that the world is waiting to trumpet your achievement. That it will be impossible to have this world without you. When you grow your business from a small scale to multinational, receive that. So I want to thank you for your time for the 4th series. I want to remind you, I have a lot of motivation messages on YouTube. There are 60 of them. Nothing can stop you, Bismarck was saying. Example, building yourself as a millionaire. Watch them, subscribe to them, send your comment. Also have another playlist. Your marriage will be a state of mind. You have a lot of teachings on dating and culture. Married. They're 15 minutes. Watch them and subscribe to them and send your comment. We have another playlist. River from the Temple sermon. There are sermons that I've put there. These sermons are also some there are about 40 sermons and more is coming. Sermon like My Secret is Jesus, The Economy of God. Watch them, subscribe, and send a comment. I have a lot of channels that are economic videos like national income, elasticity. There are more videos that will be coming up for economics. Also watch them, subscribe to them. Also have another channel, this one called Entrepreneurship, where the entrepreneurship videos, how to create a new trend of business. There are lecture 1, lecture 2, how to grow your business from a small scale to large scale. For 4 lectures to watch them, subscribe to them. I have a lot of ebooks, Amazon Kindle and Gumroad, building a competitiveness in a crowded planet, $4. To be impossible to have this world without you, $4. There's something inside you, the world is in the $4. A leader generating a $5. Your marriage based on mind to $5 there. I believe Amazon Kindle and Gumroad. Also, this book were uploaded in the month of June 2024. Building yourself as a millionaire, $4. Enhance your risk taking ability, $4. Enhance your decision making ability, $4. Growing with a cloud of a luminary risk and $4. Smarter level competition put together, $4. All these books are there. I'm not getting the sales. Buy this book for me. Let me get it. So if you want me help market the books where I'll pay you, if you're outside Ghana, take this number. Country code Ghana is +2233. You can add my number 27505641. If you're in Ghana, you can call me 037 510 5641 so that we can do more and I'll pay you for that.